welcome back. Here with Storyboard. Now, this is a project that took 3.5 years in the making. But this biopic about a sporting legend, Bhaag Milkha Bhaag, is now one of the biggest hits of the year. While its mix of sport and nationalism has had the audiences rooting for it, what has also worked in its favor is a sustained marketing and promotional effort which started from the day the film was announced. Besides focused PR at different steps in the movie-making process, the studio also got as many as 16 brands like Adidas and Amul to contribute to what is essentially a period film. While all of this contributed to the buzz around the film, how did it benefit the brands? Pavni Mittal reports.
One of the most anticipated films of the year is having a dream run at the box office. 3 years since its release, Bhaag Milkha Bhaag has collected an estimated 92 crore rupees, slowly reaching the 100 crore rupee mark. Made with the budget pegged approximately at 45 to 50 crore rupees, the biopic associated itself with 16 brands and a 3.5-year-long publicity campaign to create a 360-degree buzz. And while no big money was exchanged for the tie-ups, industry sources say that the co-promotional activity undertaken by the brands covered 2 to 3 crore rupees of the total 12 to 14 crore rupee marketing bill.
When you got to market a film, especially a film which is not headlined by, let's say, a Khan or an expensive star today, you are going to need a lot of marketing dollars to put the film in front of people. And you're not making a film about, they keep saying about a Sachin Tendulkar who's anyway going to bring in eyeballs. You're talking about a bygone era sports hero. So there is a double challenge here. So you have to build a curiosity which requires a longer conversation, and for that longer conversation you will need to sustain your marketing spends much longer. So more partners will come in, they will be able to sort of enable you to sustain that conversation much longer.
There was this very interesting process of a film being made, and we made audiences a party to that process, and that constant dialogue which we conducted with the audiences really paid, because they invested in the film much before they bought the ticket.
Since the film was set in the 50s, there was no place for product placements. So what brands like Amul did was to build on the Flying Sikh's love for milk and drive home the association through this TVC. On the other hand, since Milkha Singh wore Adidas in real life as well, you can see glimpses of the brand in the film. But what the sports care maker did well was to launch its latest running shoes coinciding with the release of the film.
We were approached by the directors also, and they approached our advertising agency FCB Ulka, where they said that there is a scene in the film where Milkha Singh is running and speaking doodh, doodh, doodh. Just to get a glass of milk, he is running miles and miles. So that time we decided that it's a very fit, this film is fit for Amul milk or Amul brand promotion.
We don't usually associate in film relationships because, like I said, we're an authentic sports brand. In this case, however, what made it a very, very perfect fit was that Milkha ji actually ran in Adidas and achieved stupendous success running in Adidas in the 50s and early 60s.
Since a large chunk of the co-promotional activity was digital, especially social media, brands were able to keep costs down. To break the clutter, they chose different aspects of Milkha Singh's life and the film to associate with, and then took forward the message through their respective campaigns. Some like Jabong say that while sales of their Bhaag Milkha Bhaag co-promoted sportswear were impressive, the tie-up helped them reach out to more consumers.
We were able to engage with more than 1 lakh customers through this campaign, and we were able to showcase the entire Jabong sports collection to these people. Many of these people might not have converted immediately, but over a period of time would think of Jabong as the go-to destination for this sports need. For me, that is a bigger collection.
The way we believe we have broken clutter is we are not associated with a very definitive part of his life. I think our brand philosophy, our brand story is associated with his entire life. His whole life was full of odds. His whole life was full of uncertainties, and that's what we want to convey.
Brand tie-ups with films took off in a big way with Shah Rukh Khan's Ra.One almost 2 years ago. With 20 brands on board, the huge marketing exercise delivered results in the franchising and gaming options that it threw up. Now, in the case of Bhag Milkha Bhag, the brands were approached by their media agencies as well as the producers of the film. In some cases, conversations started almost a year ago, and the idea really was to build enough buzz and curiosity around the film to spark audience interest. Now, this has clearly worked for the film, but brands say that for them it wasn't just about spike in sales, but the opportunity to initiate conversation and engage with consumers. In Mumbai, Pavni Mittal.
While brand associations with films are now common, the Bhag Milkha Bhag campaign was probably one of the more effective ones. Let's take another break on Storyboard. Coming up ahead, recognize this brand? We'll tell you more after this.